Hey everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and I just wanted to tell you about the awesome May 2024 Starter Kit Special. And for this Starter Kit Special, it's the regular price of $99, and you get to still pick your $125 worth of product. Plus, for May only, you're going to get to have an in-color package added to your starter kit. So this is an amazing deal. So I'll share all about the top 10 reasons why you should get the starter kit this May. And the number one reason is the in-color package you're going to get. So let me just share with you, it's $82 worth of product, and it includes all of the new in-colors: Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, Petunia Pop, Shy Shamrock, and Summer Splash. You're going to get 5 ink pads in these 5 colors. You're also going to get a 20-piece pack of cardstock, 4 sheets of each color in the 5 new in colors. You're going to get a 40-piece package or 40-sheet package of the new in color designer series paper in all of these colors as well. Plus, you're going to get a package of in-color markers. So this is just a phenomenal deal. And all month long, I'm going to be sharing in-color projects with you. So as soon as you get your in-color products, you can start crafting along with me. The number 2 reason to get the starter kit this month is you still get your $125 worth of products. So you get all of those in-color products, plus go look at your catalog, go look online, and you can choose $125 worth of product to put in your starter kit. And remember, you're only paying $99, and you're getting over $200 worth of product for that $99 if you include the in-color package plus the $125 worth of product you get to choose. The number 3 reason is your starter kit is going to ship for free. The only other thing you pay is tax if your state has tax. The number 4 reason is as soon as you get your starter kit, if you have a bigger wish list, you can turn around and start ordering from Stampin Up for yourself, and you get a 20% discount on all your future orders. And that benefit will last at least until October, and it is renewable. The number 5 reason is you can see and order from the new product lines earlier. We have 3 online exclusive releases per year, plus 3 catalogs. And in each of those cases, Stampin' Up! Demonstrators get to order a month earlier than regular customers. The number 6 reason is you get insider access to Stampin' Up! You get to find out news early. You get to attend Stampin' Up! Events, and they are super fun. Number 7 reason is you get all of my tutorials free when you get the starter kit from me, and I have over 80 tutorials that you can choose from, or you can get them all from me for free. Number 8 reason to get the starter kit is there are no obligations. You don't have to sell. You don't have to do classes. You can be your very own best customer and just enjoy stamping, getting a discount, and having a community around you that's a little bit more. There's a little bit more to it than when you're just a customer, because you're a little bit more involved. Number 9 reason is there's something for everyone. If you want to be a hobbyist, you can be a hobbyist. If you want to build a business, you can build a business just like me. Or you can do somewhere in between. You can hold classes, have fun with friends and neighbors, but you get to choose what you want to do. And I support all of my team members no matter what they want to do with the opportunity. And the number 10 reason is you get to be part of my BeeStampers family. We have a private Facebook group, online team meetings and stamping nights, card swaps, make and take packages, challenges, prizes. And these things are all optional, but you are definitely part of my team when you join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator under me. So just to recap, the starter kit is only $99 and it includes an in-color bonus package of products, $82 in value, plus you get $125 worth of your choice and product. So if you'd like more information about this or you want to join right away, go to cubiesquest.com/join. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them, whether you post them to this video or send them to me privately. Here is my email address, brendaqstamps@gmail.com. So just shoot me an email if you have any questions. And I really hope you will join my BeeStampers team in May. Bye for now.